Hello, we're Group 4. We're the team behind Ocean Delivery Service. My name is Andrew Aguilar.
I'm Matthew Bellis.
I'm Cristóbal Lizarras.
I'm Colton Corhummel.
And I'm Nathaniel Trujillo.
The problem that we wanted to solve is that there's not a large enough variety of fun and relaxing games. This needed to be fixed because many games can be intense, which can cause stress for some gamers, and especially can be harmful to those with photosensitivities or disabilities. Our original goal was to make a game that would be really easy to pick up and play with a short story, sea exploration, and collectibles.
So our solution to this project was to use Unity 6. That was the game engine we used to build our game. And our general approach to how we did all of the everything was first priority was the essential mechanics. So player and vehicle movement, as well as our package delivery system, because that's the whole gimmick of our game. And then after that, our priority was to create and acquire our visual and audio aspects. So making our environment and finding the character models for all the NPCs we scattered around, and now the sound effects and music and stuff too. And our last priority was to work on the general enhancements to the game and the player's experience. So we included some things like adjustable settings and just did some other general polish to make all the interactions work together a lot nicer.
Over the course of the project, our approach did not change very much. However, we did have to rescope our project, which meant reorganizing our lesser priorities. This meant less focus on underwater exploration and a bit of higher focus on creating islands. We made fewer but more complete islands.
Uh, we learned a lot from this project. Our key takeaway was that making a game from scratch is a lot more difficult than you think it will be to make. Uh, we learned that we had to that we over underestimated the time it would take to implement certain functionality that we needed for the game. We also learned that feature creeping was uh, was a major issue. So we would start to snowball down oh, we're gonna add these ideas, but that we would just have to scrap it because the game got too large for the amount of time we had. And then another thing we learned was to evaluate the scope early for the game because we had an idea of the game, so we would spend time implementing functionality and features only for us to have to rescope the project and scrap those ideas.
As for our deliverable build showcases a functional tech demo that features all the core mechanics and systems we needed for the completed version. This includes sailing, a dialogue system with flags, delivery system, dynamic inventory, character upgrades, and a scalable quest system. In addition to the core mechanics, there are several additions just for aesthetics, post-processing effects for the camera, day and night cycles, and plenty of fun character interactions, all of which we'll be demonstrating in this demo we have for you.
Thank you to our project mentor, Graham Devine, and thank you for watching.